Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Asingeneni endabeni zaku-PSL yonke bafethu, not just i-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela, but soqala ngeze-Kaizer Chiefs noma ezi-involve i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-coach eZamalek acknowledge-ile noma ikushilo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-team enkulu bafethu. Uthi i-big name club. Uthi but-ke i-Chiefs laphana first half azange ifike epalini labo laphana kuZamalek. Bothi nje babe nechance eyodwa nje kuphela laphana second half, and uthi bona ba-waste ama-opportunities amaningi second half na first half. iZamalek bafethu ngabe bawashayile laphana amagoli, bawatholile ama-opportunities. Kube nama-block esiwabonile from i-defense eZamalek. Manje ye-Kaizer Chiefs badefendile ukudefenda lapho nalapho. iZamalek could have scored more than one goal, but they wasted their opportunities, while iKaizer Chiefs, they're not really into the game, but inhlanhla noma ngithi lady like my side lakho uyakwazi ukulokhu njani ukuthola i-draw. uSolomons uthole leya chance, okay, leli bekakuja square, goalkeeper wayenza iblunder kwaba igoli, but khona i-chance enye ayitholile uLow Vilakazi am-assista washaya phezu kwamapali same time. But yeah, other than lokho egamini nje azange sibone iKaizer Chiefs too powerfully create ama-opportunities, but yeah, 1 point is better than nothing obviously. So babona kwamanye amagame ukuthi bazodlala kanjani ngoba kusasele amagame awu-4 bafowethu. Ubani uSilva naye bafowethu ukhulumile nemedia, mekhuluma nemedia yasho ukuthi ukudlala lese ku-continental level kuhluke kakhulu bafowethu nokudlala kulokhali la ku-PSL. Uthi nje into ebaluleke kakhulu for bona ukuthi bakhomithe whether udlala 10 minutes or udlala 5 minutes, but uthi for yena ukuthi nje abonise same commitment. Kusho la kuchaza nje ukuthi uyamisela nanokuthi uyafuna ukusiza i-team ukuthi nje iye phambili, iqhubekele phambili, thola ama-results. Moving on from iKaizer Chiefs bafethu, uKamatuka, umbokazi insimbi, ugandaganda ngempela, i-TLB bafethu. Ulimaza umdlali we-Durban City bafethu. Khona labe bathi bakompethela ibhola bawu-2 kwenzakala novela umgudluza noma wamshayisa. Ngibona ama-pictures by the way, I didn't see the clip yakhona, but ngibonile umdlali-ke bekumele athathwe, cabanga bafethu aye esibhedlela ngendaba nje ukuthi ulo ugudluzane nombokazi laphana. So but usesibhedlela uyarecovera. uGavin Hunt mekhuluma ngaleya moment le ushilo ukuthi moment engekho right, reckless for umbokazi. But-ke ziyenzeka izinto ezikanje bafethu emagamini, to be honest. Orlando Pirates ihleli phezulu laphana ku-Betway Premiership nga-28 points. Mamelodi Sundowns ihleli number 2, Sekhukhune United bahleli number 3, and then iKaizer Chiefs ku-number 4. I-Chiefs ine-game in hand compared to awamanye ama-team, so mengawina le game in hand yayo ina-25 points, ihlala ku-number 2, ihlala ku-number 3, but ilingana ne-Sundowns ngama-point, but i-difference i-goal difference kuphela because iSundowns ishaya amagoli amaningi laphana eligini bafowethu. So yeah man, it's I think we've been treated so far this season, we've been treated nice. Ukubona ama-big teams wonke kubonakala ngathi azocompete for izinto this season bafowethu, or i-league. Sifuna vele i-league ibe strong, ibe tight kanje until ekugcineni at least abanye bayiwine sokusele 1 game or 2 games, not just nje ukuthi bavele bayiwine same time bafowethu, kube nje lula. Ucoach Orlando Pirates bafethu mekhuluma because of bazodlala i-final, mekhuluma nje uthi ayingcono i-league sebayibekele eceleni kancane, sebafocus ku-final le bazoyidlala the week lesiya kuyo nge-weekend laphana ePolokwane bafethu. Uthe ujabule ngama-results laba bawatholayo laphana eligini ukuthi bafinishe kahle kuma-game wabo okugcina laphana eligini, but-ke manje uthi abagijimise i-league bafethu. I-Orlando Pirates bafethu imisele kakhulu, I mean baningi kakhulu abaphakamisa izandla laphana ku-Pirates abafuna ukubonwa abadlala kahle, oswina policy, awumuremi. Kunzima ukuthi bastophe labantu laba bafethu ngoba banama-superstars from all angles bafethu, from all angles. And they said they wanna win the league, they wanna push for the league, and ba-serious ngempela ukupusha this season. But what I can say ukuthi i-league iba decided ku-second half of the season, not first half. Well, first half ungawa-collect ama-point, but second half of the season iba nzima kakhulu because of ama-team amaningi sewavukile bafowethu, vukile amaqandeni ama-team amaningi afuna ukupusha, afuna ukusurvive izinto. I think kungcono uma ucollecta ama-point early than ukuthi ucollecta ama-point late ngoba kunzima kakhulu second round. but yeah, so far so good for i-Pirates. But yeah, iligi wonke umuntu bafethu, I think different teams, they are still there to compete. They can still fight bafethu. When you watch Orlando Pirates idlala nge-high, very high intensity bafethu. Bhola lakhona lifast, kuyagijinywa, intensity high. Ngicabanga ukuthi i-implementation noma into iyafakwa ulo coach ofikile laphana ukuthi badlale ibhola labo fast, and elinika ama-teams wakubhethe Premiership i-problem because of they cannot match i-standards se-Pirates. Masikhumbule ukuthi ucoach wadu uma efika bafethu besenkingeni kakhulu nama-fans athi hayi uyabheda, wayadlalisa amaplayer amasha. But-ke manje not even one fan elishoyo ukuthi uyabheda lo muntu lo, because sebayabona ukuthi lo muntu lo sekayibhildile lento le bafuna ukuyibhilda, sekayawathola ama-results. So ama-fans afuna nje ukuzitholela ama-results kuphela, okunye nokunye abanandaba nako bafethu. Abasa-complain ngokuthi badlalisa ondaba abasha, badlalisa oSiyema, badlalisa Nemtajela, Muremi, abasa-complain ngalokho. Bajabule nje, ama-fans ajabule because of ama-results akhona. OMbuthuma nabo bayathola boma-game time. UPirates awu-understand, ubona osenapolice baqala ebhentshini, but kangena apolice bafethu abe-highly influential. Apolice into angichaza ngayo nalaphana kuma-post-match interview yasho ukuthi akekho umuntu, kusho ukuthi bonke bayi-part of i-team, wena uqala ebhentshini or uqala kuphi, but i-part of i-team ukusizana ukuthi baphushe, benze izinto zenzeke for i-Pirates. It's gonna be a difficult, long season. Well, no, for i-Pirates it's not gonna be long because of Kukhefa abasekho, so bafocus nje kuma-domestic competition kuphela. So there's no reason ukuthi bangayiwini i-league noma baphushe for i-league bafethu. And-ke good news ukuthi amanye ama-player walaphana ku-Pirates bafethu a-recoverile, abuyile. uMakhawula simbonile edlala for the first time isikhathini eside. noNdani naye siyathemba ukuthi maduze uzokwazi ukudlala, deliver, isize i-team. You could tell, man, in sense ukuthi laphana i-Pirates when they play or when they are preparing and playing, even assistant coach yakhona ubani uMncikazi lo hlezi ekhuluma ne-media, or kuba uyekhuluma ne-media, hlezi ekhuluma ukuthi for bona every game abayidlalayo it's a must win game. Abakufihli lo ukuthi baye emagemini befuna nje ukuwina, hayi ukuthi baya-second doubter lokho ukuthi sobona ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani. No. Omunye esingambala ubani, game ye-Sundowns versus i-MC Alger Orlando Mokwena against i-team kaMiguel Cardoso. It was too technical igame yakhona bafethu. There was a moment la igame yaphoza khona, uRonwen Williams ubamba ibhola, akekho umuntu oma-attack-ayo ukuthi ayozama ukuthi too technical. But uRolani Mokwena ku-post match interview ukhulumile ukuthi uyazi kangcono i-Sundowns namaplayer we-Sundowns, so for yena bekumele adlale le system la ayidlalile, ukumake sure ukuthi i-team yakhe well balance, ayikho exposed. And then wabala nendaba yokuthi uWilliams is the best goalkeeper uthe kuphi e-Africa, which is not the best goalkeeper because of ama-saves wakhe, which is the best goalkeeper because of i-contribution yakhe lapha inside the field of play. Ukuthi mayiphethe ibhola, wena mawukhomitha kuye sokuyi--1 man, uyakwazi ukudlala ibhola lakhe kahle. So akukho lula ukudlala ne-Sundowns. Uya-understanda lokho bafethu. Ezinye-ke ezibuhlungu ukuthi bafethu, niyakhumbula ukuthi Bafana beye laphana ku-CHAN, i-tournament bebayidlala, kuthiwa that time kunama-free agent amaningi, olipasa babekhona namanye ama-players kuthiwa bakakhokhelwa abadlali. Isafa kanti ngempela yenza kanjani bafethu? Ucabanga badlali for 3 months, bayidlala 3 months ago leya tournament le, bacabanga ukuthi abadlali bazothola something. I remember captain yakhona bokuNeo Maema, but-ke kuthiwa abadlali abakayi-2 abatholi ne-R1 from ama-bonuses and stuff like that, because of beba-expecte ukuthi bazokuthola okuncane, but-ke abakatholi lutho. Omunye umdlali engimcabangayo lana ulo bekumele adlalele, okay, ngingasho ukuthi bekumele adlaleleni, but umdlali we-Sundowns lo abamlonile laphana uTerence Mashego udlala kahle kakhulu for i-Durban City laphana ku-left back bafethu. Ama-performances wakhe are good, to be honest, yabo. Mangimbukela ngiyabona ukuthi what a star. Singakhohlwa ukumenshina ama-Portuguese superstars awu-2, Ricino no-Nuno Santos laphana ku-Sundowns. Hayi quality, yabona i-quality bafethu, ali top notch quality mawubheka laphana. Kulona umuntu osalida laphana oyi-top goal scorer kubhethwe Premiership in terms of ama-goal, uDion, noma ngithi uJunior Dion, lo odlalela Lamontville Golden Arrows, una 7 goals. Kusasewuye laphana ohleli esicongweni, but we'll see ukuthi amanye ama-players o-react-a kanjani because amanye awekho kude, amanye in terms of amagoli, thola ukuthi umuntu mengakwazi ukushaya ibrace or igoli bangakwazi abanye ukummesha. Maybe-ke futhi yena usazoqhubeka awashaye futhi amagoli. So bona ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani laphana ku-Betway Premiership. But yeah, exciting season ahead. uThembi Nkosi Lorch naye ukwazile ukushaya enye i-assist futhi Bafana against i-Azam, ashaya isithende esihle, anika i-captain yakhe ukuthi igcine ilishaye phakathi laphana igoli. So uThembi Nkosi Lorch udlala kahle kakhulu, siyazi ukuthi kune-public outcry ukuthi why angekho kuBafana, but yeah, ezinye izinto zihambiselana nama-behavior. I-behavior yakho bafethi iyakuthola noma kungathuleka, but-ke isikhathi masilokhu sihamba siqhubeka, i-behavior yakho man izo-catch up nawe, because kumele uphathe kahle uma umuntu, uhloniphe wonke umuntu, ungacabanga ukuthi you're bigger than everyone. Bheka manje ukuthi kunjani. Ngeke ngingene ey'ndabeni zakhe ezi-personal bafethu because of into ebalulekile ukuthi singakhuluma abantu kabi, but-ke yeah. Phesitawu ubani uNjabulo Blomo, okay ngingakhuluma, uNjabulo Blomo la eSouth Africa beshada, kusho ukuthi ngike ngakhuluma kodwa noNjabulo Blomo ithi nje ngikhe phezulu shada nentombi yakhe, noma ngisho ukuthi umfazi wakhe manje, kusho ukuthi uthatha i-break laphana from i-team yakhe yase-Vietnam. Yeah, ubani lo coach lona ozobe khona uKhaling, osebenzisana naye Khaling, lo wayecoach Orlando Pirates, ngiyamkhohlwa, Jose Rivera use-South Africa. And then bekunama-speculations amaningi ukuthi maybe angajoyina enye i-team, but-ke yena sekubeke kwacaca ukuthi uyiBhakaniya, ngeke acoache enye i-team e-South Africa. But mina ngithi kusho lokhu because of unama-millions from i-Al Ahly settlement. Imagine ube laphana for 3 months but kuthola ama-millions and millions, so akadingi nokucoacha okwamanje. Noma ngapholela until kuba khona maybe abantu abamconvince serious ukuthi eze azobajoyina. Cela uyibamba lana kwamanje bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe, making sure ukuthi i-page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers.